Although we do not believe it, the tomato is not a vegetable, as we have been told since we were children, but it is a fruit and belongs to the Solanaceae family. It has become a fruit that is consumed all over the world, both fresh and in the form of purees, juices or fried. The tomato originated in the lower Andes, and was cultivated by the Aztecs in Mexico. The Aztecs cultivated two types of tomatoes, the red tomato, which is the one most consumed today in other countries, and the green tomato. The latter was not cultivated in Spain as much as the red tomato because of its appearance, since it was not as striking as the red tomato. Tomatoes are one of the most nutritious foods. They contain high amounts of vitamin C and folate, and tomatoes are also one of the most important sources of lycopene, a pigment that contains antioxidant properties and can prevent cancer. Thus, a high lycopene content in plasma is associated with a lower incidence of certain cancers, especially prostate cancer. Currently, tomato is one of the basic ingredients in many of the world's cuisines. It is also a food that can be eaten in different ways. Raw, it is a basic and essential ingredient in salads. Fried, it is the way it is most commonly consumed as it is added to pizzas, pastas or as a condiment. Sautéed, this form is the basis of most stews accompanied by vegetables, rice, meat or fish. It is recommended to eat a minimum of 5 pieces of fruits and vegetables a day. Tomato is one of the best options to take, since it can be combined in different ways and can be added to any meal. For breakfast, it can be eaten grated on tomato toast with oil. For lunch, it can be added to a fresh salad with tomato, and for dinner, it can be prepared in the oven as an accompaniment to fish or meat. Essential benefits of the natural tomato. The natural tomato still contains a number of essential benefits for our body. Reduces the risk of cerebral vascular accident and decreases the aging of brain functions. Reduces cholesterol. It prevents cardiovascular diseases and avoids a heart attack. It has a diuretic effect. It fights infections. It helps to prevent some types of cancer, such as pancreatic or prostate cancer. It acts as a good regulator of intestinal transit. It favors the protection of the skin against ultraviolet rays. Properties of the natural tomato. The tomato is a food with low energy content. This is because its composition is mostly water. The most characteristic of this fruit is its fiber content, minerals such as potassium and selenium, as well as vitamins such as vitamin C, vitamin E, B vitamins and provitamin A or carotenes. The latter is an element that favors the small intestine and the liver in its production of vitamin A.